Hey, it's Tracy from Do Shred Motors, and today I'm excited to show you this 2020 Edge. It is called Performance Blue, Ford Performance Blue, and Performance it is because it is the ST, and it's got the 2.7 liter Ecoboost with 335 horsepower, so lots of get up and go on the highway. We're gonna go to the back here. It's got the reverse camera, we have reverse sensing. It's got the tow package, so you can tow up to 30 to 3,500 pounds. And it also has the hands-free liftgate. So you just put your leg under there, voila, it opens up for you. So back here, we've got the nice cargo mat, we've got the cargo shade to hide all your goods. It also has the second row power folding seats as well. All right, so we're just going to put the leg under there again, and down we go. As we come back here, it's got the nice sporty black rims. It is leather interior. On the service side of things, we replaced the windshield, we put brand new tires on this, we replaced the strut mounts, and it's got a fresh oil change. So now we're gonna have a look and see what's on the inside of this ST. All right, we're inside the Edge with only 56,000 kilometers, and as you can see, it's the black interior with the nice ST seats, and they kind of hug your body, so when you are curving around the corners, you keep you in your seat nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. You can see that we've got heated, cooled seats, and my heated seat is already on. The dual climate control. It comes with the adaptive cruise control. We've got the Sync 3, so you can pair up your phone with your phone and do the FordPass app. This also comes with the auto parking as well. I don't know if you can see down there. I know we should have been there before. There we are. The MoonRoof. It's got all kinds of goodies, LED lights, all kinds of good things. So, for more information, give me a call, 780-826-3278.